Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you're seeing there on some of the pieces is a light reflection. These are lower grade pieces, but nevertheless, it'll give you a few hours of fun cutting and getting a profit back, I should imagine. Anyway, a piece like this, I think, just polish it. It's just a thin layer of opal there in the stone. This is just a rough piece, so you need to grind it down. Nice little bit of fire there in the middle. Just a picture stone, not a lot of colour there, just a bit over on the left hand side. Again, piece of rough. Maybe just cut that piece out there for a stone. The price reflects the quality of this material. That has just been thrown in. This little piece with a small eye of colour there. Anyway, it is what it is. I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.